Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add debit or credit card to PS5. So there's actually two methods to do that. The first one is to go to the settings from here on the top right. After that you need to go to users and accounts, and from here you need to open the account section. After that from here you need to scroll down to the payment and subscriptions, and after that you need to go to payment methods. From here you can click on credit or debit card, and now you can add your credit card. So the second method that you can do that is to go to the Play Store, and then you can go to the three dots on the top right, and from here you need to click on payment methods. Now you can actually click on credit or debit card, and now from here you can either scan the code and use your mobile phone to add the credit or debit card, or you can add it manually instead using your controller, as see from here. Also, you need to make sure that it's the same region as your account. So if your credit card in United States, you need to add it in a United States account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.